Hey everyone, I'm Josh, Marketing Project Manager at Robroy, and I'm here to guide you through the brand new Stahlin.com. If you haven't checked out the previous videos in this tutorial series, I highly recommend you do. You'll learn all about searching for products in our new and improved online catalog, building a customized submittal package through our quick submittal feature, how to log in to save time across the site, and how to contact a rep or advisor near you. Today, we're going to explore the resources you can find on the new site. So let's jump in. There is a wealth of knowledge about our products available to you on Stahlin.com. Our newly overhauled literature page can be accessed by choosing the Resources tab and clicking Literature. What's new here is the fact that you can now see an image of the literature piece you want to download before you download it. This is a quick and easy way to identify the piece you're looking for. PDFs of each literature type can be downloaded from this page with a single click. You can also request physical copies of the literature to be shipped directly to you. For each item you want, you can choose the quantity under Physical Request, then hit Add, and it will automatically get added to your cart at the top of the page. You can see what's been added to the cart by clicking on it. And once you've gathered everything you want to order, click the cart and hit Place Request. From there, you'll be prompted to fill out your contact info and your address and the date that it's needed in hand. Once this request is submitted, an email will get sent to our literature fulfillment company, and they will fulfill the order. This whole process has been streamlined to make it easier for you to get the enclosure literature that you need where you need it. Also, under the Resources tab, you can find lots of technical resources, such as info on different ratings and listings, material types, temperature control, and more. And under Videos, you can find a full library of videos to help you learn about new products and innovations, as well as past live streams, such as this one focusing on the capabilities of our Stahlin Solutions team. Videos can be sorted by type, such as informative, innovative, product, tutorials, to help you find what you need. You can also find these video categories tagged under each video thumbnail. Now, we don't just have informative videos on the new Stahlin website. We also have an extensive blog where you can read about our latest innovations, learn useful installation tips, or discover technical information that can answer your questions. This blog post, for example, deals with our polycarbonate in black series. And like each blog showcasing a product, you can download the corresponding brochure at the end of the article. Just like with videos, blog posts can be filtered by category, such as announcements, blogs, installation tips, and new products. And the categories can also be found underneath the thumbnail of each blog post. Finally, under Resources, you can find case studies. These are real-world examples of people who have used Stahlin's products in their applications, and they've been willing to sit down with us and tell us about their experiences, so that others can see how we solve their problems or help them save time, labor, or money. Spread the good news, so to speak. PDFs of each case study can be downloaded with a click of a button on this page. Case studies can also be filtered like everything else in our resources, this time based on industry, such as communications and telecom, oil and gas, or wastewater treatment. And each case study's category is visible underneath the thumbnail. We've also made case studies available to find under the Industries tab at the top. From here, you can choose your industry from the selections at the top and be directed to case studies that apply specifically to you. There's even more to explore on the brand new Stahlin.com. I hope you'll take the time to check it out, and stay tuned for the final video in this tutorial series where we'll be looking at more ways to request modified enclosures. See you there.